Hey, Ryan Hilkinson here today with you, just stopping by for our second power word. Our second power word is going to be connection. And connection has a lot to do with remembering, but connection in and of itself is a very powerful word because it reminds us of the connections that we have to make. That includes relationships, it includes the connections that we have to the things we own and the things that we use on a regular basis. And a lot of times we're so connected to different things that we lose the ability to add things to our lives. And so the importance of understanding connection and how it affects us is really important because it causes us to maybe do things that we don't want to do. A lot of times it makes it so we can't do things because we just don't have enough time. And so I want you to think about the connection that you have to things, but also want you to think about the connections that you have to people and how important that is. Also the connections of, maybe different words to your thought process. And a lot of perception, which we will talk about in another video this coming week, is it's based on the connections we've placed in our minds. What we see oftentimes determines how we feel or what we think about a certain thing or a certain person or a certain aspect of life. And so just consider the connections that you have and how they affect you, both the connections that are in your mind and the connections that you have as far as relationships. But if you're watching this somewhere besides RyanHilkinson.com, jump on over there and see what else is going on. And until we talk next time, get out there and live a basically awesome life.